Another day, got loaded up. Get it. Hey, damn. Got the key for the lift. We ready to go load the building. Let's go. Organizing each room. We're going up. Floor 2, second floor. Gotta go help Pussy with the furnace. Let's go. Driver. Hey.
I gotta be like, I believe I can play.
Little bit too much tonight, huh? Yep.
Hey, why you being like that? Oh, never mind.
Hey! Time we run it upstairs. Third floor low. Let's go. Whoa.
Why you run?
He's feeling the energy. Oh! Hey, the night is not there yet. It's not even halfway. Don't do that. Ay! Get it. Ay! Okay, squat it down. Squat it. Cool. Okay,
Open your leg like that.
Hey! Okay. Wait, I knew it. What is it, John?
You sound fine, not stupid.
And up we go to the second floor. We almost done.